Hello folks, daily vlog time. Right, what day is it today? Blimey, I've forgotten. It's Thursday afternoon. Car park, let's have a look. That one there. Do you know what, that's one we took in part exchange for the low mileage Mark 2.5 that went out last week. I think we're going to put a new MOT on that and sell that. So that's potentially another cheapish MX5 that will be coming up soon. We know what that one is. DAP, this is one that Roy has been welding up. That's come off of his ramp because he's been doing some other things, and we thought it's probably a good idea to give his eye a bit of a rest. That one there, that one I think we're going to end up owning. So again, that's going to be another cheapish one. This one needs a lot of welding, and I think the customer's going to go ahead with it. So that would be quite interesting what we're doing now, because I think it's going to be full seals. This one here we haven't cut open yet, so we've got a bit of work to do on that one yet. So Roy is back actually. Went to the hospital yesterday. So you alright, Roy?
Afternoon.
You haven't got an eye patch?
No, I'm not a pilot today.
Pirate Roy.
Yeah. No, not better today. Not better today.
Your eye okay?
Yeah. Just a little bit irritating.
Looks a lot better than it did yesterday.
Yeah, it doesn't like it's going to fall out today. So, yeah, no, it's a lot better. Thanks. Thanks for letting me have half day off.
Just giving this one a bit of a clean up.
Yeah, it's going to put the food up.
This is that silver one that we are going to sell. So I think there's someone coming to look at it on Saturday. They may or may not have it, or they might even turn up. If they don't, it'll go on the website. So that'll be coming up, potentially coming up soon. What else have you been going on with, Roy?
I body work and stone chipping this morning. Find the one somewhere around.
Alright, I'll leave you to it.
Yeah, I'm sure you can do that.
Yeah, I can work that out. Just about. Le Mans progressing well. Got loads done on that this week. This has come back from paint, so this is the one that had a key scratch there. Panel's been blended. Had a bit of work around the windscreen. It's all done. It's a bit covered in dust in a minute, but we'll get that sorted out soon. This is one Grant was welding up. He was doing the seals on it, but Roy's jumped on this, giving him a break from welding. Ashley, don't spill it, Ash.
What?
Don't spill it, Ash.
Yeah, don't make me punch you.
Wait, whoa! That's calmer, I suppose, isn't it?
There's a spring in your step.
It fell over there. That's because you haven't tied it up, Ashley.
I haven't finished yet.
Is that an excuse?
No, that's a legitimate reason for not tidying up.
So, I guess it's self-explanatory then. Ashley's been fitting custom supplied shocks and springs on this one, and this one's also MOT, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, it went over for the MOT, it did fail on shocks, so that's obviously been done. And service as well then?
No, it was hose. We had to get the hose
Oh.
to get providing the car with the thing. So.
Had to fit some hose.
Yep.
Hose.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Alright. You bored yet?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see what Chris is doing. Pardon? Is that another spring joke? Mr. Chris.
Right.
Right?
There you go. Yeah.
I'm alright. You alright?
Just having a yeah.
You're having a day, are you?
Yeah, very much a CBA day.
Why's that?
Oh. Just one of those days, eh?
Right.
Hay fever, just everything, but never mind. And this maybe.
So this was Ashley was welding this one,
Ashley's
yeah.
weld job. So I've had some fun with this today because I've had massive reactions.
Oh, good. We quite often get that with the black lines, don't we?
Yeah, well, I rolled the dice because when we use the water-based stone chip, sometimes the stone chip doesn't come out as nice and we get a different texture and stuff. but I wanted to sort of come away from that. So I was thinking that maybe if I didn't put any heat on it, it might be right. I did one the other week, which had that sort of stuff on it, and I put the stone chip on it, and I went where it meets the, like where you had the black line. It started thinning out, didn't go on thick, but it was in pretty much off. I put the stone chip on this in 10 minutes. It just all crinkled up.
Nice.
So, and that's why I've got this here, because normally we would do it this way. So I obviously painted it red, but I'm trying to minimise the amount of painting I've got to do onto that black line. So I've masked up the black line already, and now I'm just wondering whether or not I've got issues going on with the paint, or whether it's just the way it's drying, because I've got a... It looks almost like a blue patch, but there's no...
Yeah.
And that fan's been off as well. We had it all off, so I don't know whether that'll come up.
This is, we've got to get a retest done on this as well, haven't we?
Yeah.
It's going out. This is going out Saturday, and we've got no flexibility on that because the customer's got our courtesy car, so we've got to get it done.
Yeah, so I think it'll be alright, but I'm just trying to fathom out at the moment. Like, I don't think it's where that's dried and this hasn't, because it's thin down here and it's a bit mattish, but it's still got a shine to it. But for some reason, it's gone dull in the middle. So I don't know if that's going to rectify itself with lacquer or not.
We love paint. Right.
Yeah.
Thanks, mate.
Cheers. See you later.
Grant's sport. I don't know if we've mentioned our new overalls, or Grant's new overalls. Grant's an overall man. He prefers to wear overalls, yeah.
Only because going indoors kills me to death if I come home dirty. So
Every time?
every time.
Every day? That
Gets a bit tiring.
gets a bit
after while.
tiring, yeah, to death.
To death, obviously.
We're thinking actually of selling these, so they probably wouldn't have that logo, or turn around, that logo, but they'll have everything else. Yeah, if people are interested in that, we'll
But they'll come clean.
we'll put them. Yeah. Or people might prefer them dirty.
I'll wear them in for them.
Yeah,
No problem.
Grant is happy to wear them for a week and then send them out.
For a very small nominal fee.
Those ones would be more expensive.
Biscuits.
Yeah, so
MX5 Restorer dirt.
so if people like that, put it in not the dirt thing. No. If you like the idea of owning some of those, let us know in the comments, and we'll not put them on the website like all our other merchandise. All right, you're just finishing off a service,
I'm
yeah?
just finishing off a motor service, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's put the wheels back on. Got a top up with coolant, run it up to temperature. First of all, got to put plugs in though, because they've only just turned up.
All right, okay.
Yeah, we've got to go in.
Great.
Then for this one, obviously give it a wash.
Yep. He wants to pick that up tomorrow afternoon, actually.
Oh, right.
I didn't tell you that.
Yeah, let's try and get this in.
All right.
All right, guys.
See ya.
you tomorrow.
All right. That's that. We'll see you tomorrow.